Welcome to Framework Fanatics, where we help you use special strategies to better your workflow. Today I'm going to discuss the 80-20 rule and its application in business. The 80-20 rule states that 80% of outcomes come from just 20% effort. So what does this look like in business? I'm going to give 4 examples to demonstrate how this principle applies. Let's dive in. 1. Goal achievement. The 80-20 rule can help businesses achieve their goal in less time. By focusing on the 20% of activities that will get the most desired results, businesses can quickly progress without wasting resources on unnecessary tasks. For instance, your business may set a goal to bring in a certain amount of revenue by the end of the month. Identifying the 20% of actions that will get the majority of your desired results, such as aggressive marketing campaigns and partner collaborations, can help you reach your goals faster than unfocused efforts. 2. Employee productivity. Another way businesses can use the 80-20 rule is by analyzing the amount of time and effort employees spend on different tasks. By examining which 20% of tasks bring the greatest output, employers can then use this as a guide to prioritize these activities, while also eliminating or delegating the 80% of tasks that are not essential. This will help maximize the productivity of employees and improve overall efficiency. 3. Potency of marketing campaigns. The 80-20 rule can also be used to analyze a business marketing campaigns. By focusing on the 20% of channels that have the highest ROI and cutting out the 80% that are either not producing results or have low ROI, businesses can allocate resources more efficiently and maximize their return on investment. 4. Time and stress management. Finally, the 80-20 rule can also be applied to time and stress management. By focusing on the 20% of activities that drives the most results, businesses can eliminate activities that don't contribute to reaching their goals while also reducing pressure on their team. This will help employees focus their energy on tasks and objectives with the most value while saving the time and stress of working on tasks that don't move the needle. And that's it for now. Those were 4 quick examples of how the 80-20 rule applies to businesses. By understanding this principle, entrepreneurs can focus their resources and promote a better work environment. Thanks for watching Framework Fanatics. Keep creating success. Don't forget to subscribe.